Asana is a popular productivity and time management tool, but before deciding if it's the right fit for you, here are 12 things you need to know. Many users compare it to alternatives like Monday.com, Trello, and ClickUp. So let's dive in and explore what makes Asana stand out and where it may fall short. First off, Asana is well known for its intuitive interface. It's simple to use and doesn't require a steep learning curve. Compared to other tools like ClickUp or Monday.com, you'll find it easier to jump in and start organizing tasks immediately. However, while simplicity is a plus, you may find it lacking in advanced features that some other apps offer. Next thing, Asana's task management system is robust. You can create tasks, assign them, and track their progress with due dates. It allows you to organize tasks into projects and use various views such as list, board, and calendar. But when compared to Trello, which offers a similar board view, Asana provides more structure and formal project management tools. The third thing to consider is integrations. Asana integrates with over 100 different apps, including Slack, Google Drive, and Zoom. While it's one of the top tools in terms of integrations, some alternatives, like ClickUp, offer even more extensive third-party integrations. The fourth thing to know is Asana's customizability. You can tailor the platform to suit your workflow with custom fields, tags, and filters. However, compared to Monday.com, it's not as flexible. Monday allows you to create dashboards and automations without restrictions, which could be a deal breaker if you're looking for more advanced customization. The fifth thing to mention is its pricing structure. Asana has a free tier, which offers basic features but limits the number of users. The premium version comes at a higher cost, and while it's good for small teams, larger teams may feel the need for the business or enterprise plans. In contrast, Trello offers more in its free plan, which could be a more budget-friendly option if you're not looking to scale up quickly. Sixth, Asana's reporting capabilities. If you're working on a team project, the ability to track and visualize work progress is key. Asana has built-in reporting tools, but if you're someone who wants more detailed data or custom reporting, ClickUp might be a better choice. Next, Asana offers a timeline view that lets you visualize project timelines and dependencies. This is a great feature, but the experience may feel clunky compared to something like Monday.com, which has smoother timeline features for larger, complex projects. Eighth thing, Asana's mobile app is functional, but if you're someone who needs to make frequent updates on the go, you might prefer the more refined mobile apps from competitors like ClickUp. Asana's app can feel less intuitive, especially when you're managing multiple tasks simultaneously. The ninth thing to consider is its task dependencies. Asana allows you to set task dependencies so one task cannot start until another is completed. This feature is essential for complex projects, but its implementation is less advanced compared to Monday.com's dependency management system, which is more intuitive and easier to track. The 10th thing is collaboration. Asana makes it easy to collaborate with your team, as it allows comments, file attachments, and feedback directly within tasks. However, while it's good for communication, some users feel that tools like Slack offer more dedicated and streamlined communication channels. The 11th thing, Asana's automation features allow you to automate tasks like assigning work or setting due dates. However, ClickUp has more extensive automation options, so if automating repetitive tasks is critical to you, ClickUp may be a more powerful tool. Finally, Asana is highly rated for its ease of use and broad range of features. It strikes a balance between simplicity and functionality, making it ideal for small to medium-sized teams. However, if you're a larger team or need more customization, you might want to look into ClickUp or Monday.com. So, is Asana the right productivity tool for you? If you're looking for a solid, straightforward project management system, it's a great choice. But if you want a better solution with more advanced features, including automation and reporting, check out our recommended option that you can try for free.